Good morning, students. In last module, you have done activity 1 and 2 of chapter 6. Chapter name is factors and multiples. Now we will start activity 3 of chapter 6. In this activity, we will read about HCF. The full form of HCF is highest common factor. How we will find the HCF? For example, we have one example. Find the HCF of 16 and 20. Before finding the HCF, you have to find the factors of that number. So first of all, you will find factors of 16, then factors of 20. You did factors in previous module also. I am telling you once again what is factor. Factor, the number which completely divides the given number, that number is called factor. I am taking here example like 5 is the factor of 25. Why? Because 25 is completely divided by 5. 5 5s are 25. So here is the 5 is the factor of 25. Now we have to find the factor of 16. You know 1 is the factor of every number. So 1 and number itself, both are the factors of every number. So here 1 is the factor of 16 and number itself, because 1 16 is 16 and 16 1 is 16. Now 16 will come in table of 2 also. 2 8 is 16. 16 will come in table of 4. 4 4 is 16. 8 2 is 16. These are the factors of 16. Now we will talk about factors of 20. Same again, 1 is the factor of 20 and number itself. Now 20 will go in table of 2. 2 10 is 20 and 4 5 is 20. 5 4 is 20. 10 2 is 20. So these are the factors of 20. You know the factors of every number are limited. Okay. So these are the factors. Now we have to find common factors. So what are the common factors here? This one, because this one is coming in both factors. So this is common. Next, this 2 is common. Next, this 4 is common. Only 3 factors are common here. 1, 2 and 4. Now we have to find HCF from these common factors. What is the full form of HCF? Highest common factor. So here we will take highest factor. That will be HCF. So what is the highest factor in this? That is 4. So HCF of 16 and 20 is 4. That is the HCF. Now there are two methods for finding the HCF. First is by prime factorization method. Second is by long division method. First of all, we will do find HCF by prime factorization method. There is one question. Find HCF of 18 and 42 by prime factorization method. You did prime factorization in activity 2 also. So we will use that prime factorization and find the HCF of these two numbers. First of all, let us find the prime factorization of 18 and 42 first. First is 18. Here you have to take only prime numbers. So 18 is coming in table of 2. 2 is a prime number. 2 9s are 18. Now 9 will come in table of 3. 3 is a prime number. 3 3s are 9. Now again 3. 3 is a prime number. It will go in itself. 3 1s are 3. So this is the prime factors of this 18. Now we will find the prime factors of 42. You did divisibility test also. If last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then that number will completely divided by 2. So here is last digit is 2. So this 42 is divided by 2. 2 is a prime number. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 21 is this number divided will by 3. 3 7s are 21. Now 7 is a prime number. It will go in itself. 7 1s are 7. So here we will write this number 18 is equal to, we will write here all prime factors in multiplication form. 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now we will write here 42. Again we will write all prime factors. 2 multiply 3 multiply 7. Now next step is you have to find common prime factors. It means you have to find common prime numbers. Here is 2 multiply. Next number is 3. Only two numbers are common here, 2 and 3. So these are the common prime factors. Now you have to find HCF. So for HCF you have to multiply this. 2 3s are 6. So HCF will be 6. This is the method by prime factorization. Okay, you have to find, if you have to find HCF by prime factorization method, first of all find the do the prime factorization of given numbers, then find the common prime factors, then multiply the common prime factors, that will be HCF. Now here I am taking one example more. Find the HCF of 42, 72 and 120. We will find this the HCF of these numbers by using prime factorization method. First number is 48. Again last digit is 8. So 48 is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Again 24 is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Now 12 is also divisible by 2. 2 6s are 12. 6 is also divisible by 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 is a prime number. It will go on itself. 3 1s are 3. Now come on the 72. Last digit is 2. So it is divisible by 2. You can do division in rough here also. Like you have to check it is divisible by 2 or not. What is coming in quotient. Then in rough you can check like this. 72. Do division here. So 36 is coming. This is rough work. So here 36 will come. Again last digit is 6. So it is divisible by 2. Now again 18 is divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18. 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 is prime number. 3 1s are 3. Now 120. It is divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12. 0. 60 is divisible by 2. 30 is also divisible by 2. 15 is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15. 5 is a prime number. It is divisible by itself. 5 1s are 5. Now we will write here prime factors of 48. It is 1 2 3 4. 4 times 2 and 3. We will write in multiplication form. Now 72. Write the prime factors of 72. Now write the prime factors of 120. Now we will find common prime factors. The number that will come in all factors. in factors of 42 also, in factors of 72 also, in factors of 122. That number will be common prime factor. Here this 2 is coming, so we will write 2, 1 2 is here, multiply. Now again 1 2 is coming, this 2 also will come here, again this 2 is coming. Now this 3 is also coming. That's it. These are the common prime factors. Now we will find HCF. How? We will multiply these all common prime factors. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. So HCF will be 24. So HCF of 48, 72 and 120 is 24. Now I am starting activity 3. First question is, find the common factors of following numbers, then find their HCF. First of all, you have to find common factor. Then with the help of common factor, you have to find the HCF. This type of question we did here also. Find the HCF of 16 and 20 by using common factor. First of all, we will find the factors of both numbers. Then we will find the common factors, and we will find the highest common factors between that common factors. That will be HCF. We will do this question. First of all, we will find factors of 20. Again, 20 will go first of all 1 and itself. Now 20 will come in table of 2, in table of 4, in table of 5 and in table of 10. Okay. Now come on the factors of 45. 1 and 45, 2 factors will come. Then 45 will come in table of 3, in table of 15, in table of 5 and in table of 9. 3 15s are 45, 5 9s are 45. You can do like this also. 3 15s are 45, 5 9s are 45. Okay. Now we will find common factors. Common factors are 1, then this 5, only 2 common factors are there. Now we have to find HCF. HCF means highest common factor. What is that highest common factor here is 5. So the HCF of both numbers is 5. Now here you have to again find the HCF by using common factors. First of all, we will find factors of 36. Now 36, how we will find? You can find factors like this also. I am telling you one method. If you have to find the factors of 36, okay, so 36 first of all divided by 1, so it will come 36. Then 36 divided by 2, it will be 18. 36 divided by 3, it will be 12. 36 is divisible by 4, it will be 9. 36 divisible by 5, no. 36 is divisible by 6, yes. 6 6 are 36. Now 36 is divisible by 7, no. 8, no. 9, 36 is divisible by 9. Okay. So now 36 is divisible by 10, no. Is divisible by 11, no. Is divisible by 12, yes. But 12 is also here, so we will not write again. If number is repeating here, we will not repeat number again. Okay. So here 36 is divisible by 9. There is no need to write this step also. Why? Because 9 is repeating here. Okay. We will write it here. Now What are the factors of 36? These numbers and these numbers. Okay, 6 is repeating 2 times, so we will write only 1 6 here. So factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. You can find the factors of every number like this also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. These are the factors of 36. Similarly, we will find the factors of 60 also like this. Like 60 is divisible by 1, so 60 will come. 60 is divisible by 2, 30 will come. 60 is divisible by 3, 20 will come. 60 is divisible by 4, 15 will come. 60 is divisible by 5, 12 will come. 60 is divisible by 6, 10 will come. Now 60 is divisible by 7, no. By 8, no. By 9, no. By 10, yes. But 10 is coming here, so we will not repeat again. But that's it. So factors of 60s are this line and this line. So we will write here factors of 60, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 60. 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. Okay, these are the factors of 60. Now we will find common factors. So common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. That's it. Okay, now we have to find HCF, means highest common factor. What is highest common factor? That is 12. So HCF will be 12. HCF of 36 and 60 will be 12. So second question is find the HCF by prime factorization method. In this question we will find first of all prime factors of this 25 and we will find prime factors of 40 by using prime factorization. First of all 25, do prime factorization of 25. 25 is divisible by 5, 5 5s are 25. 5 is a prime number, it will go in itself, 5 1s are 5. Now we will find prime factorization of 40. 40 is also divisible by 5, 5 8 ja 40. 8 is divisible by 2, 2 4s are 8. 4 is divisible by 2, 2 2 ja 4. Again 2 is prime number, it will go on itself, 2 1s are 2. So these are the prime factors of 25 and 40. Now we will write here prime factors of 25 in multiplication form and prime factors of 40. Now we will find common prime factors. Common prime factors are 5, only one 5. So common prime factors only is only one number, that is 5. So HCF will be only 5. This is the HCF of 25 and 40. Now, next question is you have to find HCF by these numbers using prime factorization method. Again, we will do prime factorizations of these numbers. First is 144. Last digit is 4, so it is divisible by 2. 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4. 72 is also divisible by 2. 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12. 36 is divisible by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. 18 is divisible by 2. 2 9 ja 18. 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3 ja 9. And 3 is a prime number. 3 1 ja 3. These are the prime factorization of 144. Now we will do prime factorization of 180. It is also divisible by 2. 2 9s are 80. 2 9s are 18. 0. If last digit is 0, you know that the number is divisible by 2. So again 90 is divisible by 2. It will be 45. Now 45 is divisible by 5. 5 9s are 45. 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 is a prime number. 3 1s are 3. Now I am taking here 192. 2 है, so it is divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18. 2 6 are 12. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 4 ja 8. 2 8 ja 16. Again 2 2 ja 4. 2 4 ja 8. Again is divisible by 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 2 ja 4. 2 6 ja 12. 2 3 ja 6. And 3 1s are 3. So these are the prime factorization of 144, 180 and 192. Now we will write here prime numbers of these numbers. It is, first of all, we write prime numbers of 144. Now of 180. Of 192. Now we will find common prime numbers, factors. This 2 right here. Again this 2 right here. Now 2 is here, 2 is here, but 2 is not in 180, in factors of 180. So 2 will not come again. Now we will check 3. 3 is here, 3 is here, 1 3 is also here. So we will take these last 3. So 1 is 3. Now 5 is here, but 5 is not there in both factors. So only these 3 numbers are common prime factors. Now we will find HCF. For this we will multiply these numbers. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. So HCF will be 12. Okay class, now these are 2 questions that you have to do in homework. First is find the common factors and then find their HCF. We did it, this question. And second is find the HCF by prime factorization method. Okay, you have to do these questions in your maths fair notebook. And after some days I will send you answer key for matching the answers.